This message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. There have been several reports all over New York City of electrical devices of all kinds turning off suddenly or acting strange, like smartphones sending random messages or microwaves turning on by themselves. The incidents don't seem to be linked in any way, and the current cause of this anomaly is unknown. It is currently advised to keep away from dangerous machinery or cars with electronic control systems, as they may malfunction too and cause serious injury or death. If one of your devices turns off suddenly or starts working improperly or by itself, dial 911 and hand your device over to the police to help with the investigation. Stand by for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. The cause of the previously mentioned anomaly has been confirmed to be a computer virus named TL27. It has been reported that this virus is now causing electrical devices to short-circuit, electrocuting anyone standing nearby. It is currently advised to get rid of all unnecessary devices and leave only the radio or TV that you're using to listen to this message, but keep away from it. Carefully remove light bulbs from lamps in the room that you're in. Avoid going outside, as there are many potential threats there such as cars, displays, and lamp posts. If you have a pacemaker or payment chip, keep away from other people to reduce the risk of electrocuting them as well in case your device short-circuits. Stand by for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. The previously mentioned virus, TL27, has become even more dangerous. It has been reported that the devices infected with this computer virus are now using a strategy in which they seemingly stop malfunctioning, and when a person comes closer to investigate they explode, causing serious injury or death, and effectively turning any device into a proximity mine. This is a very life-threatening situation. Do not go near any electrical devices. Do not go outside. If you can safely reach your front door, hang a towel or a piece of clothing on your front door to indicate that you are not trapped. Police minesweepers will visit trapped citizens and dispose of the devices. The military is currently preparing an electromagnetic pulse which is going to neutralize all devices. Stand by for further updates. This is an emergency message. The solution to the current situation involving using a military EMP went horribly wrong, and the pulse detonated every electrical device in New York City, destroying the entire city and killing approximately 8.5 million people. Military rescue teams are currently searching the ruins for survivors. If you can hear this message, find a way to signal your position and make as much noise as possible. If you have to move, walk on all fours or crawl to avoid inhaling toxic smoke. If you see any electrical devices, do not under any circumstances go near them. Do not attempt to help people in dangerous places, such as near electrical devices or fires. If you or someone near you is gushing bright red streams of blood, apply a tourniquet directly above the wound using a piece of clothing or belt. If a rescue team finds you, tell them if you saw other people in their exact location. Stay tuned for more information on this tragic event. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The President will speak on this channel shortly.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, this is a very dark time in our country's history. Tonight at 11:16 p.m., we lost New York, our biggest city, our nation's pride, in the blink of an eye. Our military rescue teams only managed to save 3,457 people, which is roughly 0.04% of the city's population. Although we don't know the identity of the person who made this TL-27 virus yet, the FBI is trying its best to ensure that no more incidents.